Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to format the date. So sometimes we need to copy different data from one tab to another tab, and we have noticed already that if we copy and paste the date, then date doesn't look in the right format. So date might be like this as numeric. So we will change the format for this. So first we have to either click the whole column on the top of the header, or just select the data set that we need to convert or format. Then after that, go to the home tab, and after that in this option, and then I can click short date. Then I can see that the date already changed. If I'm not happy with this, then I can go back and change to the different format, which is long date, and then well, I can see some hashtags here. So if I go to the border of two columns, and when I see two arrows to right and left, and then I double click, then I can see that it already adjusted this column. Then I can see that the month, the name of the month in text. So this is also one way. Still, if I'm not happy, I should click, select the dataset and go to that option again, and then go to more number formats, and then I can see there is one window popped up, and there are some options or some date formats that I want to select, which is with dash, with dot, with slash, and also year, month, day, and so on and so forth. Then I can click here and OK. Then I can see that all the date already formatted, year, month, and date. Still, if I'm not happy, I can go back to that option, select more number formats, go to customs in the same window once popped up, then type. You can see here an option, type. Then I can type here, and then I can write down 4Y, that means for year, and 2M's and 2D's, that means year, month, date. Then I can see this is the format that I want to get. So this is how we can change the format of the date. Thank you.